Hi.
Hey, how are you?
Hello, hello.
Can
Oh
I
God.
quarantine? You're at Kolkata or in Mumbai only?
Oh, I'm in Kolkata right now.
Oh, and how's the situation there?
Uh, it was Corona and then Amphan, which has created a massive destruction all over
Yeah.
Bengal. This
Yeah.
place is still without electricity, water, food,
Mm.
under waterlogging. But things are reviving
Mm.
slowly, and very soon we'll be back in shape, like how
Hopefully.
Bengal was.
Yeah.
And salute to all those front workers actually who are like helping restoring Bengal,
Mm.
reviving Bengal in these times of distress.
Agree.
It has been a pretty bad situation. Network actually, even
Yeah.
last few days there was network in my place also. So
I
thankfully we could connect today. Yeah,
yeah, I can feel that. अभी थोड़ा भी अभी voice में भी crack हो रहा है. So it's
crack हो रहा है ना
yeah, but it's okay. At
usual. And the other side is the mother son of this entire storyline. That is the human side. That is the I would say a human story to this tense, otherwise chilling and edge of the seat crime thriller.
yeah,
So there
yeah.
are two sides to Kali. Yeah, just as her as the individual, she has two sides, the two facets. Similarly, the storyline has a very interesting narrative where she is always in between the struggle between
Mm.
this dark underbelly of Kolkata, where she just faces a lot of troubles from all the gangs and the goons,
Mm.
and somehow she was managing to save herself and her son. That's her only lookout in life, like how to take care of her family son.
Yeah.
And it was wonderful actually. It was
Mm.
something very different from what I have done before. Yeah.
So
See, I'm so excited. I will keep on talking. I won't let you also tell me, ask me
I'm listening
questions.
you very carefully because it's very
I'm so
nice to.
sorry. Yeah, tell me.
No, no, please don't be. मुझे आपका ही इंटरव्यू लेना है एक्चुअली. माय क्वेश्चन इज कि बंगाली हो आप बंगाल के आप में आपने बहुत सारे रोल्स भी किए बहुत सारी चीजें करी है नाउ कमिंग टू हिंदी सीरीज और हिंदी फिल्म्स वाज इट कंफर्टेबल अगर लैंग्वेज की
Hmm.
बात करें तो आपके लिए या कोई बैरियर था लैंग्वेजेस फॉर यू.
See, for me, a film, a cinema, or any audiovisual project, I don't think language is a barrier.
Yeah, yeah.
But there are difficulties.
Mm,
Definitely, I would accept the fact because Bengali is my mother tongue. It's in the tip of my nails.
I know.
Just I can play around with the words and lines and everything. But yeah, I started doing Hindi films a few years back, and Hindi was my third language in
Mm,
school. I have a lot of Hindi speaking friends. So we've been I've been used to the language from a very, from school, I would say.
mm,
Not that I know everything about that language. There are still so much to learn about a language.
mm,
Uh, but during the shoot, this I had a great experience.
mm.
As you said, this is a it's a bilingual project. First we shot it in Hindi,
Yeah.
and then
Okay.
we shot in Bengali.
Okay.
Yeah, so essentially it's a it's a Hindi project. So
Mm,
there were actors from Mumbai, as well as there were actors from
mm.
Kolkata. So the dialogue portions we had to tell twice.
Okay.
We had to shoot it twice, one the Hindi and one Bangla. So
Okay.
what happened, always, like actors from Mumbai, they used to tell, "Hey, Hindi first khatam karte hain, huh, please." And
Mm,
the others used to say the opposite.
mm.
It's a comfort zone. It's
Yeah.
a comfort zone of somebody. बीच में से मेरा क्या हुआ था, see, I was there in most of the scenes, so I didn't choose which language to shoot first.
Mm,
I always
mm,
gave my co-actors that opportunity, that choice of selecting which language they
mm,
wanted.
Mm.
And in meanwhile, I thought I what I figured out that I became a good translator actually. So after
Mm.
seeing the Hindi, Bengali पे ऐसे ही automatic आ रहा है. Or even if I'm saying the Bengali, Hindi भी ऐसे ही automatic आ रहा है क्योंकि I used to just translate it
I
and
know, I
put
know.
it there. And at
Mm.
the end of the thing, the director, correct, hai, correct. I said, okay, fantastic. If it works for you guys, it works for me.
क्या बात है.
So yeah, it was fun part regarding the language.
Mm.
But I had a great time shooting in both the
Mm.
languages, and especially in Hindi, I would say there's a lot of emotions, and the way you emote or way you express is different when it comes to a pan India scale.
So, did you feel emotionally drained in any of your scene because बहुत intense film है, series है और बहुत intense role है आपका, आप दो तरीके के रोल प्ले कर रहे हो. कुछ ऐसा सीन था जिसमें आप खुद इमोशनल हो गए या you cried, ऐसा कुछ था?
In all the scenes, actually, in most of the scenes, it was so intense. Either there was an action sequence happening or some emotional churning going on within her, be it her husband, or be it the police cop, or be it the parents, or be it her son. There were a
Mm.
lot of several sequences. One sequence I would love to mention when where she finds herself lost in spite of doing everything for her family and taking care of she didn't even bother like what would happen to her
Mm.
life. She was more interested in her child's life. So
Mm.
when her son was like kidnapped and she lost him,
Mm.
and she had nobody beside her to help her out. That was in the middle of a road. We were shooting like I think it was 2 o'clock or 3 o'clock at night, because mostly we used to have night shoots. And in that vacant street, somewhere in the outskirts of Kolkata, where everybody was sleeping, it was silent all around. So I had to like burst out in tears,
Mm. Mm.
cry and scream, and that came out very naturally,
Mm.
but it happened. I actually cried. And after that, I felt guilty, like, okay, some people, I woke few people up from the middle of their sleep.
Mm.
That was something, yeah, like everybody loved that scene actually, because I could hear some claps around here and there. And of course, there, like since most of the scenes are very, very intense, because that is the storyline about.
Mm.
So I got a lot of course, all my co-actors, they were brilliant. And we had a tough time during shooting, but I think creatively we were extremely I was extremely fulfilled, and it was a creatively fulfilling experience for me.
So, how Kali 2 is different from Kali 1, the previous one?
Kali 2 has become much more bigger in space and canvas. One was restricted only, to few hours. You see, it's just a whole
Mm.
nother story. It's a 24-hour story.
Mm.
But Kali 2, about lot of other incidents, lot of other things happening in and around her and her life, and also a lot of characters have been introduced.
Mm.
Okay, so it is not restricted to just Bengal now. It has like
Mm.
it has gone to Delhi. There are characters from Delhi. There are characters from other places. So it is like it is not just restricted to the Bengal.
Now it is a pan India
So that way, I
film.
would say, and it has become much more thrilling. There are a lot of action sequences in mostly every episode, and I think it has become much more entertaining that the viewers watch.
Your video, I think there's some problem in your video.
And there's all which I would like to add. Also, one more thing, like there's a change in the look of Kali also for the
Mm.
season 2.
Oh,
Yeah, that I mentioned.
okay. So did you watch any kind of web series? अभी आप घर पे हो कुछ देखा आपने? Are you following something or OTT platform or television something?
Yeah, in mostly all OTT platforms, actually, there's so many love shows and films.
Hmm.
So yeah, that is, in during these times when we are all at home, we are
I know.
doing everything from home,
Hmm.
and that is what I would also like to mention. This
Hmm.
I've been watching so many films, so many series. So there are other people also, and they are doing the same thing
I know.
from Team Kali. Yeah, from Team Kali. I know the release is tomorrow, though we have delayed it a bit because of this lockdown
Hmm.
situation.
Hmm.
But then unanimously we decided like it's a small gesture, gesture from humble gesture from our side
Hmm.
to like provide some entertainment in this boring dull life of ours right
Hmm.
now. Some
Hmm.
sunshine kind of just enjoy Kali. And I would also love to feedback which I got for this season.
Okay. So what kind of a genre you love to do? कोई ऐसा particular horror, comedy, romantic,
There's
any
some
other
like,
particular role that? Hmm. Sorry,
sorry,
you can hear
I
me?
I can't hear. I didn't get you. Sorry, can you please repeat it once again?
With what
I
is
know the video is like
now you can see me, hear me?
I can see you. Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah, I can see
What
you.
kind of a genre you like? You love to do any particular horror or comedy or something like that? Any particular role that you want to do? Your favorite genre, something?
Like what I have watched already. There are so many actually.
Uh-huh.
But I love watching all kind of genre, be it romantic comedy, be it stand-up comedy, be it a thriller. I'm not a big fan of horror.
Acha.
I'm not a huge fan of horror. I'm scared of ghosts. Even now, like when I watch something, horror space, which I don't do too much unless my brother or mother or somebody is there with me. I just watch it like this.
Oh my God. Oh, okay.
I mean, it's sounding foolish, but yeah, yeah.
Okay.
But the rest, I love rom-coms, and I would love to do a rom sometime.
How is your chemistry with Vidya? Vidya is also playing a very good role in this series. So, how was your
Yeah,
chemistry with her?
yeah.
Yeah.
It was great. Actually, I've worked with Vidya before also in a
Okay.
Hindi film called Yara Chili Chili. Yeah.
Okay. Okay.
So Poromrudo was also there in that, the producer of our show Kali. He
It's
was
kind of
also
a
there in that film. So
yeah.
I knew I have already had the experience of working with her. She's a lovely person and always like full of energy. And we are talking about diet, exercises. She's into a lot of like healthy
Yeah.
yoga stuff. Yeah, yeah. And wonderful. She came up with this brilliant idea of Kali pose on her Instagram profile. Like only she can come up with this unique and lovely things. So I had a great experience working with her, and she did a wonderful job with that.
क्या बात है सो चलते चलते बावली मैं आपसे बोलना चाहूँगी आपके फैंस बहुत हैं चाहे वो बंगाली इंडस्ट्री हो चाहे वो फिल्म इंडस्ट्री हो वेब सीरीज इंडस्ट्री हो उनके लिए कुछ बोलना चाहेंगे बिकॉज इट्स अ वेरी क्रिटिकल सिचुएशन आउटसाइड तो बहुत स्केरी भी है सम पीपल आर फॉलोइंग लॉकडाउन प्रॉपरली सम आर नॉट तो इज देयर एनी मैसेज फॉर देम फॉर योर फैंस
Uh, guys, I just want to tell you all, like, from my heart and soul, a lot of love to you all, wherever you are right now. Prayers for you all, for your families. I know we are going through a very difficult time, and with a lot of insecurities, we are moving every day. We are all looking forward to that day where we can just move out the way we used to, where we can hug our like friends, we can meet them, we can talk. I know we are all looking forward to that normalcy, but till then, let's hold on to our patience, be positive, be happy in whatever we are, little what we are getting, and we should be thankful to whatever we are getting, be it water, be it food, be it heat, electricity, because so many people don't have.
Yeah.
And lend your your helping hand. Just help out those out in need. Just be beside them, and just let's pray for us, for this world to heal.
Yeah.
That is something I want to say. And one more request, like, since you all are at home now, uh, do watch Kali too, and
Yeah.
let me know how you feel about it, and just be honest about it, how you feel about it. Yeah.
Surely we will watch definitely and wish you all the best also. कल releasing है and
Thank you so much.
definitely blockbuster होने वाली है, don't worry. तो हम फिर जल्दी मिलेंगे next
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you so much for your time. Thank you. Take care. Huh? Bye bye.
Thank you. Bye. Love you. Bye.
Bye
Bye.
bye.
Bye.